Apfel Dr. Germany, my name is Ben. Hello and welcome to the micro soldering show. And today I just want to fix an iPad Pro 12.9 with you, which doesn't do anymore at all. Andy, please give the pad to me. It is laying on the hot plate, so I can disassemble the pad. Don't know. Okay, so let's start. It just doesn't charge anymore, it doesn't boot anymore, no recognition on the PC. Yeah, I can do it after that. No problem. It's on the connector, on the FPC. It's open line at one point. So I just need my tools and then I can start right away. Where is my fucking spudger? So I can start this repair here. Okay, just go in with the spudger on the top here. After that we take a card. And now we're just going through the whole pad to open it. Okay. If it's well temperated, if it's well temperated, it's no problem to separate. Okay. Got it out. This pad I think was already opened before. Or not. I don't know. Could be, I don't know. So, we just take a screwdriver. Here it was already opened before. And the first thing I do is just taking out the screws on the top for the EMI shield. Then disconnect the battery and then get out the screen. Nur Faule hier, nur Faule. Nur Faule. Ja, nur Faule.
Andi, wo gehst du hin?
Think I'm in the video, okay? So, I just want to get out the DMI shield. I know it's bad to see, but here we are. In a second, now I just disconnect the battery, and after that I just take out the screen. Need to get out the shield over the cables. And he's smoking again. He didn't smoke for years and now he's smoking again. It's can't understand that. Okay, got out the screen and here we see the pad. Now the first thing I want to do in that case is check if TriStar is okay. Because I see no charging current. So I take our ICC Pro and let's just get it. I just cover it because of the additional test, which is a secret at the moment. Wait, and TriStar Hydra is okay. TriStar or Hydra, in this case, TriStar. Okay, so no TriStar fault and no charging current. What's the next thing you would check? On these iPad Pros, for me, always the next step is to check if we got a short. And for doing that, I just want to cover the battery. Where is my tweezers, baby? Tweezers are here. Crazy. crazy today. Don't know how to say. Okay, I just cover up that, and then I just bend the pins here a little bit. Pins on the FPC for the battery. I just take it out a little bit. Okay, and then I just want to check where's the multimeter. Here. Check for voltage. Normally plus should be on the left side. Yes, it is. Plus on the left side, so I cover it up again. And I just want to check. And yeah, we got a short on VCC main. I saw that really often on these pads. So I take out the SIG, connect it to my phone. And normally the short is always, in my experience, next beside to the power IC. And crazy, the first area where I go, I see the short. Here, one cap next beside to the power IC. Just need to locate. Okay, one of these. Next beside to the power IC. Yeah, here I got it. This one. Yeah, I show it to you here. iPad Pro 12.9, just a short on VCC main. I will get that cap now. Okay. So. I think this should be easy to do. And here we see the cap next beside to the power IC. Because it's next beside the power IC. Ich komme. Ich komme trotzdem. I just want to kick it out. And I don't want to replace it. Because I don't want to use too much heat next beside the power IC. 1 second, I'm back in a minute. Das Video läuft. Also keine Scheiße drauf.
Hier ist halt nicht Ben.
Back life to boom again. Ich gehe nicht nochmal an die.
Gott schenkt mir 2 Japaner für die Platinen. Warte, ich will schon mal so Flöte.
Was will ich?
Ich will schon mal so Flöte. Ne?
An der Kamera oder was?
So, auf meinem Finger.
Hä?
Kennst du mich?
Nee, irgendwie ich verstehe, was du unbedingt was.
Schon mal deine Skills zeigen.
Was ist das denn?
Der handwerklich geschickt.
Achso, stimmt, handwerklich.
Komm, bild mal auf.
Nee, da haben wir bestimmt hier ein paar Rechnungen ausgeholt.
Und dann dreh ich dich rum und sag, kannst du die Kamera. Der geleitet Geld. Bis dann.
Ich brauche erst nur T-Shirt. Klar, du hast noch keinen T-Shirt.
Ist in der Box hinten. Ist in der Box hinten.
And I'm back to life again, baby!
Sanja, da weiß ich schon, was da hingeht.
Ja? Ehrlich? Was hast du gesagt?
Hier ist Dani und ich bin.
Nee, ehrlich hat's gemacht? Nee. Okay, I'm back again. Back to and I hope the pad is back to life again. So we just check if the short has gone or not. I just had to see my son.
So.
Oh, I think that was the wrong cap. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see if I took out the wrong cap. That's a thing which can happen, it's no problem, but then I will replace that. Okay. Why I took out the wrong cap? Man. Yeah. Or it's a second cap which is shorted. We will see. It's iPad Pro 12.9. Things like this that happen often on these devices. Okay. Let's see again. Okay, have to see. Okay. For the right direction. No. Perhaps in that way. Yeah, this looks okay. So. And another cap. Really another cap shorted. Two caps on VCC main. This one, yeah. Okay, I got it. Next one. I saw it often before that two caps, perhaps sometimes three caps on VCC main are shorted on an iPad Pro. So here's the next one. Let's check that. Okay, and I got it out. Nice. Just want to take it away here. We don't need that. Let's see if the short has gone. Yes, short has gone. So we should be back to life again. Okay, give me 1 second. We go on hands. And let's check. Sind die Kostenvoranschläge alle gemacht?
Ich hab noch keiner gemacht.
Ah, dann mach sie mal alle. Okay. And now we want to see if this device works again. And boom! We are back to life again with our iPad Pro 12.9 after just a little short on VCC main. Two caps shorted, solved in a fast way. I don't know if there are any private data on the pad, so I just take it in that way, so we don't see any erotic pictures without the customer wants you to see that. Wait a second until the device has already booted. And here we are again. Just a fast repair on an iPad Pro 12.9. I want to get the pad mounted now again and do complete functionality test. After that, the pad goes right away to the customer. Okay? If you want to learn things like that easily, you can do that at the Border Level Repair School Germany. And if you are working at the repair industry for smartphones and tablets, you can just join our Facebook group, Smartphone Repair Group Germany. I would be happy to see you there, but please answer the questions, otherwise you won't be accepted. By the way, every technician in this world should have this tool, so buy the new ICC Pro on iccpro.de. I'm out. We see us with the next video. Boom! Back to life again. Use Ben.